Fog rolled in. Engine died. Should've turned around. Carried me farther than I'd planned, till rotten stilts appeared above the reeds. An old shack leaned against the cypress trees, like the swamp itself refused to let it fall. Inside were rows of yellowed mason jars, an ancient copper still coated green with age. Animal skulls swung softly from the rafters, while faded charms hung tangled in the moss. One dusty jar caught the lantern light. I pulled the lid and drank. Smooth as honey, warm as fire, burned all the way down. Then she smiled. Pour it high, drink it slow. Sweet black water steals your soul. One more shot, taste divine. You're the secret in the shine. Hey, in the shine. Through the hanging moss, long black hair dancing in the summer breeze, eyes like emeralds catching firelight, a smile that made the whole swamp disappear. She poured another glass, she laughed, she sang. The old shack slowly started spinning. The last thing that I saw was her hand brushing my cheek. Smoke, the smell of blood and whiskey. I woke up chained above the still, wrist cut open, dropped by, dropped. The beauty was gone, the glamour had faded. Long white hair, black rotten teeth. She laughed. Every good batch needs a little of the last fool who took a drink. The copper bubbled, the jars filled slowly. Here come the heart, she smiled, and everything went black. I woke beside the river, morning sun on my face. No shack, no chains, no old woman, only a dull ache around my wrists. Guess I drank too much, or so I tell myself. Pour it high, drink it slow. Sweet black water steals your soul. One more sip, that's the prize. Best damn shine you'll drink in your life. Pour it high, pass it round. Every stranger leaves a pound. Don't you ask what makes it fine. You're the secret in the shine. You're the secret in the shine. Months later, I stopped at a roadside bar. The bartender smiled. Just got a fresh batch. She slid a dusty mason jar across the counter. The first sip tasted strangely familiar.